If your capsule coffee machine isn't pumping water, don't worry. There are two simple methods you can try to fix it. First, try the water tank reinsert method. Just lift the water tank out and firmly reattach it. Do this a few times, it helps create suction and might kickstart the water flow. As you can see, the bubbles show that water is being pulled in. You'll need to repeat this step several times until the flow becomes consistent. Second, if that doesn't work, you can manually prime the pump using a syringe. Gently inject some water into the intake area. This forces water into the system and can help remove any trapped air. Give these a try before calling for repairs. They've worked for me and might save your machine.